Hey guys, this is our Writing with Phonics page 35. All right, so we're going to write the letter C on this front part. It's in the downstairs smile stroke. Your C is a smile stroke. C. Now here's the letter U that's a smile that's turned upwards and then a pull down. So C with a lowercase u is k, k. Write it again. K. All right, let's write our S. Go down, around, and back up. Down, around, and back up. Down, around, and back up. And then a push across, up, and around. This is a blend. Se. Down, around, and back up. Push across, up, and around. Down, around, and back up. Push across, up, and around. Se, 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 se. H is a pull down with a hump. Pull down with a hump. Pull down with a hump, and then the I, pull down with a dot. This is I, he, pull down with a hump. I, he, he. Flip over on the back. This is our new letter D. It says D, D for dog. Make a ball and then a pull down. Make a ball and then a pull down. A ball and then a pull down. Push across, up, and around. This is the blend D, E, D. D, E, D. D, E, D. Capital D is a pull down with a big belly. D, 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 D. All right, friends.